Hey guys, I'm about to share with you a testimonial from one of our community members from our most recent webinar. I hope you enjoy.
And this is what you're going to learn today. So a little bit about me. I'm a mom of 6 kids. I have 5 grandchildren, and time is the most important thing to me. And you guys, if I go back to 2022, I was failing miserably at having more time with my family and having an income to make more memories. So for one, I'm an introvert. I do not like tech, nor do I want to understand tech. I didn't have a following, and I didn't like to bother friends and family to make an income. As an introvert, that's one of the worst things that you want to hear, that you have to DM people or bother people to buy. So what I did is I followed the step-by-step blueprint. It was a breath of fresh air because it was like paint by numbers, just follow exactly what to do. I went from 0 followers to 6 figures in 6 months. And I will tell you this, if I can do it, anyone can do it. The secret sauce is following the proven blueprint, be coachable, and be consistent. And now fast forward to today, we travel and do the things that we love. Now the bottom picture on the right is my little Peanut, my little granddaughter, and I was able to take her to the ocean for the first time. This is her down on the ocean looking at it for the very first time. That's priceless, that I get the ability to do this with my family, all because I made a commitment on September 10th of 2022 to follow a simple, easy to follow blueprint. Now, Daryl, you guys are going to hear from today, and he is 2K away from $300,000, and he just got started in our program on January 15th. Is that not awesome? So will he become a self-made millionaire in 2025? Absolutely. Quicker than he thinks, by the way.
Guys, if you want to know more about the passive daily pay blueprint that we're following, then put yes into the comments below and I'll share the details with you.